Welcome back from an ad break. Now let us continue with our questions. Question 2. With question 2, we will be looking at the maps and floor plans. So this example is taken from Gauteng, November 2021, and we are looking at question 2.1.1. So this is a floor plan of Moeti's house. We are going to use it to determine the questions that will follow or calculate. So use the key next to the floor plan to determine the number of doors shown on the plan. So let's check our floor plan. So we are determining the number of doors. So the first door would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of doors that appears on this floor plan would be 7. So we have 7 doors. Then moving along to the next question. 2.1.2, identify the rooms that will receive more sunlight. So on this floor plan, remember the general direction. If it's not given to you, you can know that this will be the general direction of any given map. Now from here, we can see that if this is the general direction and we know that the sun rises from the east, so it means the rooms that will receive more sunlight will be the rooms that will be on the east according to the general direction. So according to this map as well, we can say it's going to be the bedroom as well as the half of the living room. So they are the side that it's on the east of the living room. So this part will also receive sunlight. Then 2.1.3, explain the meaning of the scale 1:100 given on the floor plan. So now we can say, when answering this, 1 unit on the floor plan will represent 100 units on reality or on the ground. So this will be your explanation for the given scale. Then 2.1, it is adapted from Northwest question paper November 2019. We are looking at question 2.1. Use the map of South Africa to answer the questions that follow. So this is the map given to us. So write down the grid reference for the Mpumalanga province. So we go to our map. Remember the grid reference, you must give it, you start with the alphabet, there comes the number, not the other way around. So Mpumalanga is here. There we have, Mpumalanga, yes, it's here. We have Mpumalanga in this. So our grid reference would be D2. This will be our grid reference. Always start with an alphabet, there comes a number or a value. Then 2.1.4, which national park is situated in the Free State? So we go to our map, we look, Free State, here is Free State, and we are looking for the national park. So the national park that could be found there is Golden, this is G, so it's Golden Gate National Park. National Park. So this would be your answer for 2.1.2. Then 2.1.3, in which general direction is Johannesburg from Durban? Then again, we go to our map. General direction is Joburg. So we go and locate Johannesburg. Right, so now here is Johannesburg on our map and Durban, there we are in Durban. So if the question says in which general direction is Johannesburg from Durban, so it means here is where you are, this is Durban. Where it says Durban, I'm going to just draw a cross to represent my general direction. So I'll draw a line going straight to Johannesburg. So now the general direction would be northwest. Then we move along to the next question, 2.1.4. It took Kaya's dad 45 minutes to fly the distance of 500 kilometers between Johannesburg and Durban. Calculate the average speed correct to 1 decimal place. So now the average speed, if it is not stated whether to calculate it in kilometers per hour or minutes per distance. So what you can do, you can simply calculate it in kilometers per hour. So in this case, we have 45 minutes. Because it's not stated to us, you can simply say 45 minutes and convert it to hours. So you're going to divide by 60. So this will give you 0.75 hours. Then you go to your formula, you substitute. If this is the given formula, substituting your distance is going to be 500 kilometers divided by 0.75 hours. So this will give us 666,666 kilometers per hour. So the question says you must correct to 1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place would be 666,7 kilometers per hour. So that would be your calculations for the average speed. Now we are going to take a quick ad break. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back.